parking lots, we're going to work on this today. I know we've talked about parking lots for the disabled and where they're going to go with their cars. But this time we're going to talk about wheelchairs traveling through the parking lot. So this is where I can travel. Quite a few I've done with my wheelchair through a parking lot and how to keep myself in one piece. So this is really important for wheelchair users who are traveling through parking lots by themselves. No car, just you. So we're going to talk about that for you to travel with your wheelchair through cars and through all kinds of things that's happening. So one of the important things is you're going to keep near the cars that are parked. Then you wanna go through these cars, but close to them, and then to where you need to change. If there is another sidewalk for you to change. But if you have to go through the parking lot, then keep close to those cars that are parked. If they start to move towards you, you just let them slap on the back of the car, and let them know that you are there. Because a lot of times, because we are in a wheelchair, they don't see us. We are a little stout. So we're in the wheelchair, so they don't see us. So this is really important that you know, and these are the details that we're going to talk about, how to keep this that will work you through the parking lot and with the cars, and make sure the car driver makes sure so he gets through and doesn't hurt you. So first of all was the stay close to the cars. Bang through the car in the back if they haven't seen you when they start to move out. And sometimes they're really silly because they don't pay attentive when they're moving their cars out. So some of them are pretty dumb. So just make sure that these cars, if you bang them and, bang them in the back of the car so that they know you're moving through. Make sure you use light colors like white or like yellow or orange, or not black, because some people have had the problem of in all black, and that is where they can cause a problem. So keep yourselves in lighter colors that you're using, white or yellow or orange or anything that is not black where you're covering yourself completely. So make sure of your colors. Use bright colors that shows the wheelchair, actually. So not all black. So I'm going to talk about a little bit about straps, that the straps that I use when I'm traveling, on the bus, and then I get off the bus, and I'm going through the parking lot, and they have this. I put this on me, and so they know exactly that they'll see me behind me because I have the red the red fluorescent colors, so they know they can see me from the back, and then they can see me when I put my strap. They'll see me right in front. So either way, they're gonna have to see me. Uh, so that's really important for you to think about fluorescent colors. You can put those. You can have certain fluorescent colors on your wheels, or fluorescent colors for your wheelchair somewhere, whether it's yellow or whether I use the red in the back, and then yellow is in the rest of it, usually is yellow. So, and you see the one I use for my strap, and they'll see me definitely. If they see me in the back, they'll see because of the fluorescent red, and then they'll see me for me. So either way, they'll see me. So you gotta find ways to do this. This is really important. So use any straps with bright colors on you when moving, as a wheelchair user. So that's really important. And fluorescent, yellow, neon, the fluorescent yellow that I've used, neon orange, you can use that color, or electric pink. There's electric pink colors. So like the one I have, they can use pink or they can use orange. So it's so you can see it and they can see them. So that's really important as cars going around a parking lot around you. So anything you can do to help them to see you in your wheelchair. So because the biggest problem is that we are short throughout cars, so we're very short. The other thing is they don't see us if we're too close. When I'm in the parking lot, I'm still close, but the other cars around will see me going through. They don't see me when I'm right there in top of them. So they have to be careful. So if you see them and you know that they're moving and they have the lights are on, the white lights are starting on and they're going to move, you have to make sure to splat them in front of the back of car, or, and for them to, or for you have to move further for them to know you are there. So there is another way, is to be traveling in the parking lot in the middle of the cars that are parked, but still that is a concern that there might be a car moving in front of you or behind you without paying attention and might hit you. So that's why I'm saying that when you're traveling, stay close to the cars that are not moving. So that is my suggestion. Uh, so think about all of this. If you have a suggestion of what that will work for you as you are working through parking lots as a wheelchair user, and what has helped for you. And it might be something different or something new that I didn't know, didn't think about. So, but let's think about details that will help for people that need to go through parking lots as wheelchair users and not get hit. If there are sidewalks in a in the area of a parking lot, then great. Then that will help you. That will help me to use a parking a sidewalk or near the parking lot. We'll have to avoid a parking lot because they are difficult. They are difficult. So think about it. And let's think about you. Let's wait and see. I would like to see your ideas for parking lots and traveling with a wheelchair so that this helps. Anything to keep us safe. And as you know, I'm always looking for things that will keep you safe. So, all right. So, don't forget me and mark the like or a subscribe. Subscribers helps a lot for me for this to grow and for us to see it and to share our ideas to be able to make things better every day, every week. All right, take care, and I hope to see all of you very soon. Take care.